3, 2, 1.
What technique is used by insects and birds to find food, mates, and safety from predators? The answer is C, flying. Which cricket team won the ICC Cricket World Cup in 2019? The answer is A, England. What is the world's largest musical instrument? The answer is A, pipe organ. What is the invention associated with the name Alexander Fleming? The answer is A, penicillin. Which painting is known as the Starry Night? The answer is A, Starry Ocean. Phototrophic organisms capture light energy from the sun and convert it into what type of energy inside their cells? The answer is C, chemical energy. What is the main part of a pencil called? The answer is B, lead. What is the name of the mythical wolf that appears in Norse mythology? The answer is C, Fenrir. Which school supply helps to make a paper plane fly further? The answer is C, pencil. The cerebellum is associated with what major human organ? The answer is D, brain. The first successful experiment with nuclear fission, the process in which the nucleus of an atom splits into two or more smaller nuclei, was conducted in which year? The answer is A, 1938. Which book is about a tramp who goes on a spiritual journey? The answer is C, The Alchemist. Who plays Jonathan E. in the 1975 science fiction film Rollerball? The answer is D, James Caan. What does RNA stand for? The answer is A, ribonucleic acid. Who is the creator of the animated series South Park? The answer is B, Trey Parker. Which internet browser was the first to reach a market share of more than 90%? The answer is B, Google Chrome. Which part of a soccer ball is not stitched together? The answer is B, panels. Who hosts the show Jeopardy since Alex Trebek's passing? The answer is A, Mayim Bialik. Rumor has it that Adolf Hitler had 1/4 of what heritage? The answer is B, Jewish. Forrest Gump describes to Jenny all the beautiful scenes he saw while he was running across America. She said she wished she could have been there with him. What does Forrest say in response? The answer is C. You were. Who is known for the critique of pure reason? The answer is A. Immanuel Kant. Bagheera, Shere Khan, and Baloo are from what Disney movie? The answer is D. The Jungle Book. An external opening in the what of amphibians allows wastes and gametes to exit the body. The answer is D. Cloaca. What type of eggs do fully terrestrial vertebrates carry? The answer is D. Amniotic. Who created the world's largest Lego sculpture? The answer is B. Sean Kenny. Where is Wesley, Akadred Pirate Roberts, kept prisoner in the movie The Princess Bride? The answer is A. The Pit of Despair. Which of these is the best example of physical weathering? The answer is C. Ice fracturing a stone. What was the name of George Washington's wife? The answer is D. Martha Dandridge Custis. What color is traditionally associated with mourning in the Western world? The answer is B. Black. The Madonna/Britney Spears kiss paled in comparison to this kiss bestowed on America's best-known bigot, Archie Bunker. Who kissed Archie Bunker on the count of 3? The answer is C. Sammy Davis Jr. What is the central concept in Stoicism? The answer is D. Virtue is the highest good. What holds the pencils, pens, and erasers? The answer is B. Pencil case. Who designed New York's Central Park? The answer is A. Frederick Law Olmsted. What is the capital city of the Inca civilization? The answer is B. Cuzco. What keeps your food fresh? The answer is A. Refrigerator. Who was the first president to serve in both world wars? The answer is D. Roosevelt. Which of these rulers/politicians was not left-handed? The answer is A. They were all left-handed. What kind of scientists measure percentages of sand, silt, and clay? The answer is D. Soil scientists. An architect's plan of a structure, it shows the layout and design. What is it? The answer is A. Blueprint. What was Family Guy character Mr. Weed wearing in the kitchen in the episode in which he was invited to the Griffin's house for dinner? The answer is A. White underwear. Which of these first ladies had a law degree? The answer is D. Hillary Clinton. On the 1960s television show Bewitched, Agnes Moorehead played which character? The answer is B. Endora. Which object has a gravitational force so strong that it forms the center of the solar system? The answer is D. The Sun. Which hurricane was the costliest ever to hit the U.S.? The answer is B. Hurricane Katrina. What actress won the Academy Award for Best Supporting Actress for her role as the outspoken maid in the 2011 film The Help? The answer is C. Octavia Spencer. Ovulation takes place in what organ and is part of the menstrual cycle? The answer is D. Ovary. Which type of prepared bread is named after an opera singer? The answer is D. Melba toast. Who made the following statement? We were both trained for this. When in doubt, kill. The answer is D. Richard Crenna in First Blood. Which of these would most likely appear on a prescription if the medication should be taken as a large single dose? The answer is A. Ball. What season is December in the Southern Hemisphere?